a mother whale shark can give birth to 300 live shark pups in just 1 litter.
I love whale sharks. I think they have to be one of my most favorite sharks.
Hi there, my name is Simon and I'm a marine biologist and underwater cameraman. And this is my wildlife-loving son, Elliot.
Hi!
We heard that Baby Shark's big show will be premiering on Nickelodeon, so we thought you might want to find out more about real-life sharks. They're such awesome creatures. Welcome to the Fintastic Shark Facts by Scuba Zoo. Fact 1. Did you know that there are over 350 species of shark, but only a small number had ever been recorded attacking humans? I have been lucky enough to dive all over the world with all kinds of sharks, such as the awe-inspiring great white shark, beefy bull shark, tenacious tiger shark, and pushy oceanic white-tip shark, all without a cage, and yet here I am without a single bite taken out of me. Fact 2. Different shark species have babies in 2 main ways, either by giving birth to live young or laying eggs. Baby sharks are called pups, and when they are born or hatch out, they can swim right away and don't need to hunt for food for the first few weeks of their lives. I filmed this little guy hatching out on a dive here in Malaysia. It was awesome.
Aw, he's so cute.
Yeah, so right. Fact 3. Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the ocean and can be seen all around the world, as well as Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines and Thailand. They can grow to over 12 meters and weigh as much as 40 tons. That's as much as 10 adult Asian elephants. Their families are big too. A mother whale shark can give birth to 300 live shark pups in just 1 litter.
I love whale sharks. I think they have to be one of my most favorite sharks.
Fact 4. Sharks never run out of teeth. They have new ones on a tooth conveyor belt at the ready to move up and replace any that become lost during feeding. A sandbar shark will have about 35,000 teeth over the course of its lifetime. Compare this to a human which only has 20 baby teeth and 32 adult teeth. Can you imagine that, Elliot? How many teeth have you lost so far?
8, so I still have a few more to go yet.
You sure do. Fact 5. Thresher sharks have the longest tail, which can grow to half of their body length, which they use as a giant whip to stun their prey.
They also have huge eyes to help them see in the deep, dark depths of the ocean.
If I want to film thresher sharks, I have to get up super early to see them visit coral reef cleaning stations at sunrise. Fact 6. Based on fossils found in Australia and the United States, scientists guess that sharks first appeared in the oceans around 450 million years ago, long before the dinosaurs, and yet are at risk today from the illegal and irresponsible fishing. Unfortunately, I have found dead sharks in the seas and the fish markets all over the world on my travels, and we can all do our part to help by asking our family and friends not to consume shark fin soup and shark-based medicines. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Fintastic Shark Facts and now realize they aren't the mindless man-eaters that they are often portrayed to be.
Remember to tune in and watch Baby Shark as he heads off on his adventures with his best buddy, William. Bye!
Bye, everyone.